Alright everybody, today we have the Flitt selfie drone. Now this is courtesy of Banggood.com. They sent this to me. I cut the tape off. They sent this to me to check out. I have to say that a lot of the stuff that I have that you see on this channel, the vast majority of the toy quadcopters you see I bought from Banggood. And I've always had good service from them. That's why I agreed to do this. Okay, so that was that. Okay, let's get to the unboxing. Here's the quadcopter. You know, the packaging is very Apple-esque, the way they have the packaging. You know, it kind of reminds you of an Apple product when you open the box. Here's the quad. And here's the battery. It's a 3.7 900, so that's a pretty good sized battery, a 900 for this, because this thing is extremely light. With the battery in it, it's only 111 grams. Okay, so without the battery, it's 84. So it's pretty light. And it's one of them selfie drones. You have to control it with your phone. Now, there it is, opened up. Now, these selfie drones, it always comes down to two things with these things. Okay, it's always going to come down to two things to know if they're going to be any good or not. How stable is it? And does it take decent photographs or video? Them are the two most important things. You know, it's not the range or any of that crap, because it's a selfie drone. It's supposed to be around you. So if it's stable, has an optical flow sensor here. If it's stable and takes good videos, then it serves its purpose. Here's the manual. There's a quick start guide in here. It's laid out very well, okay? I mean, you can't not have success taking this off with this manual. Plus, they have a very nice little section here on the app, right here too. So that's really nice. It's really laid out well. And then they show you here where you can get a spare battery if you want one. This package contains the spare props and the prop guards. And this package contains the battery charger and the USB cable, micro USB. And to charge the battery, you see these pins on here. See those two little pins? Well, those two pins line up with those pins that are in the battery. All you do is plug the battery into the charger and plug the micro USB cable on here. And it even tells you on the charger when the LED is red, it's charging, and when it's flashing, it's complete. So when the LED is flashing, the charge is done. If it's solid red, that means it's charging. So there's really not a whole lot to it other than that. We're going to go take it up in the house. And we're going to see how stable it is and check the video. And I'll explain the app when we get to that point. Alright guys, stay tuned for the indoor flight test. Alright guys, just this quick little add-on here. I did not even notice this when I was doing the video. And believe me, I looked all over for this thing. But the micro SD card slot is right there. Right next to where the writing is on the top. You just go down here and you'll see it right there. And that thing is hard to see. I just didn't notice it. If you go on the website and they say on their micro SD card slot, but it looks like it's down here somewhere from the picture they show, but it's not. It's up here. All right, guys. Okay, everyone, we're back with the Flitt selfie drone, and you got to turn it on, which is the button right here. The lights will flash. Got to go find the Wi-Fi. There it is, right there. And the password is 1234567 It took about 2 hours to charge this battery, by the way. So then you go find the app. And then it binds it. As soon as you do that, it binds it. And you see it recording there. Now we're going to take it up in a second and listen to it and see how the video is and everything like that. But here's some options on here. Here's the record button here, and it'll start timing it right there. There's the emergency stop. There's to turn the lights on and off. There's a light supposedly on the front of this thing. You see it right there? You can turn that on and off with the app. And the speeds are right here. Low, medium, and high. We're going to go low right in the house here. Then here's some other options in here. You can post this video right to Facebook and Instagram. If you have to input your account name and password into those things. And it'll post right from the app. As soon as you shoot the video, you can hit 1 for Facebook or 2 for Instagram. Then it has some options in here for the contrast and the brightness, the factory reset, the Wi-Fi name. You can change the password if you wish. Calibrating. We're going to do that. It's on a level surface. It's calibrating it, and it did it. And then here's your battery. Here's a little icon down here for an SD card. This doesn't have that. This records right to the phone, but maybe they have a model that has a micro SD card. This doesn't. Okay, so let's just take it up, see how it flies. And then here's the height set on it right here. And then here's the stick. It doesn't have the dual stick type deal. It just has one stick to, for your pitch and all that, and it just has a height adjustment here because, it is a selfie drone. So then you have to hold this for 2 seconds to unlock it. And so let's start the video. Easy peasy. So it's solid as a rock. It's not moving anywhere. Look how stable it is. Let me see if I can wave my hand under the optical flow sensor to see if it makes it do anything. It just dropped a little hair when I did that. But it's very stable. I mean, that's what it has to be a good selfie drone. It has to be stable. I mean, that's one of the whole keys of these selfie drones. If it's not stable, it's no good. But it's pretty stable. I mean, it's moving, but just an inch in this way or that way. It's pretty rock solid as far as I can tell. Yeah, looks good, man. Looks real good. Well, if the video looks good, it'll be a winner because it's very stable. It must have a good optical flow sensor in there. All right, I'm going to cut the video now. And we're going to land it. Beautiful. Well, we'll see how the video looks and then we'll know for sure. If the video is decent, then it's a winner. And if it's not, then it isn't. All right, everybody. I'm going to get this video put together and we're going to get out to the park and do an outside test on it on the next video. And don't forget to hit the link down in the bottom, banggood.com. That's where you want to check this out. All right, guys. I'll talk to you later.